Only verified product moves forward.
Standards are enforced with absolute clarity.
Quality is proven, not assumed.
At first light, the harvest begins where the sea meets human effort.
Massive nets guide nature's yield into a controlled flow.
Precision and strength bring the ocean's harvest aboard.
Even at sea, control and speed protect freshness.
The journey pauses here, preserved for what comes next. From sea to shore, speed becomes the guardian of quality.
Temperature and timing now move in perfect balance.
Logistics take over without breaking the cold chain.
Every seal locks freshness in place.
The raw harvest now travels toward transformation.
The raw harvest now travels toward transformation. This is where raw harvest meets industrial precision. Controlled environments protect what the ocean provided.
Flow replaces handling as efficiency takes over.
Every movement forward is carefully engineered.
The first step of transformation begins here.
Cleanliness is the foundation of every step that follows. Only what belongs continues forward.
Human judgment still plays a vital role. Uniformity is engineered, not assumed. Now prepared, the product advances deeper into the system. Precision replaces manual labor at industrial scale. Controlled motion protects delicate structure. Efficiency increases without sacrificing care. The process resets purity once more. Prepared for change, the product moves forward. Heat is applied with restraint and accuracy. Balance is restored in seconds. Balance is restored in seconds. Consistency is shaped, not left to chance. Every variable is reduced to its ideal state.
Automation now takes the lead.
Vision systems inspect what human eyes cannot. Decisions happen in fractions of a second. Accuracy is measured, recorded, and enforced.
Order replaces randomness.
The final refinements begin.
Stability is locked into every piece. Uniformity defines industrial quality.
Nothing proceeds without confirmation.
Verification now takes priority.
Quality is proven, not assumed. Standards are enforced with absolute clarity.
Safety is verified at the microscopic level.
Every specification must align perfectly.
Only verified product moves forward. Protection meets efficiency at the final stage.
Volume is organized for global movement.
The chain continues without pause.
And this is how modern factories produce shrimp from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.